What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the 20 coolest gadgets you can actually buy in 2026. Forget the concepts and prototypes. Everything on this list is available right now on Amazon or in stores. From the revolutionary detachable muscle massage guns to travel pill organizers like the Plord Note Pin, we are covering the best tech of 2026 that will actually change your daily routine. We've got smart home innovations, the latest mini flashlight sets you won't believe exist. If you want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest technology news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's get into the top tech gadgets you need to see. Sore muscles slowing you down? The Careking muscle massage gun delivers targeted relief wherever you need it. This 2-in-1 detachable muscle massage gun. Deep tissue, back and neck massager for pain relief, handheld massager for shoulder, lower back, leg and waist, FSA-HSA. Eligible features a 20-inch ergonomic extendable handle for hard-to-reach areas, or detaches into a compact portable massager for arms, thighs and calves. With 5 adjustable speeds, 4 replaceable heads, a long-lasting battery and a powerful brushless motor, it provides personalized deep tissue relief, easing tension and soreness while improving recovery. Perfect for home, travel, or gifting. Tired of slow, messy blending? The Koios Immersion blender makes kitchen prep effortless and precise. This 1,000-watt anti-scratch 3-in-1 hand blender, upgraded with a 12-speed stainless steel blade stick blender with turbo mode, whisk and milk frother, is non-BPA and features a powerful 1,000-watt motor with 300-force stainless steel 4-tip blades, safely crushing ingredients, even in hot soup. Its anti-scratch and anti-splash design protects cookware and keeps your kitchen clean. With 12-speed adjustable modes, turbo power, and detachable, easy-to-clean parts, it's perfect for soups, smoothies, jams, baby food, and frothy beverages, combining versatility, speed, and safety in one tool. Struggling to keep your vitamins and medications organized on the go? The Betife Travel Pill Organizer makes daily health management effortless. This upgrade premium. Daily pill box, portable metal pill case, cute pill holder to hold vitamins, medicines, pills, and supplements. Features a stylish aluminum alloy shell with an independent pull-out inner box and BPA-free liner for safe storage. With a 7-day pill organizer, clear date tracking, and a safer travel pill holder design, it's lightweight, portable, and perfect for carrying vitamins, medicines, or supplements while traveling or at home. Want flawless photos and videos without juggling your phone? The Vimitty Seajic magnetic phone tripod makes content creation effortless. This 64-inch iPhone selfie stick with remote and metal ring features. It is designed for MagSafe technology, securely locking your iPhone or any phone with a metal ring. With a strong magnetic phone tripod, automatic pop-up design, 360-degree free rotation, and ultimate portability, it's perfect for selfies, vlogs, live streams, or photography anywhere, combining convenience, stability, and professional quality results. Tired of nicks, tugging, and uneven shaves? The Yoxspd electric foil shavers deliver a smooth, effortless grooming experience anywhere. This mini electric razor with 3 floating blades, IPX7 waterproof wet or dry cordless razor, USB fast charging, Travel Lock features 3 floating blades that adapt to facial contours for irritation-free shaving. With an LED display, dual speed modes, and a portable design, it's perfect for daily use or travel. Durable, easy to clean, and versatile, it ensures a precise, comfortable shave for all beard types. Struggling with sore muscles after long days, at work or travel? The Resteck massagers deliver soothing relief anywhere you need it. This neck and back with heat. Deep tissue 3D kneading pillow, electric Shiatsu. Shoulder massage, foot, legs and body. Relieves muscle pain, office, home and car. alleviates acute pains, neck stiffness, and fatigue while promoting proper blood circulation. Portable with adapters for home, car, or office use, it offers adjustable heat and bidirectional kneading. Perfect for a full-body massage, from neck, shoulders, and back to legs and feet, bringing comfort, relaxation, and rejuvenation wherever you go. Never be left in the dark again. The EverBrite mini flashlight set is perfect for outdoor adventures or unexpected emergencies. This small multicolor flashlight with lanyard, 1-watt LED for camping, hiking, emergencies, and gift for Christmas birthday anniversary, includes 6 compact flashlights in assorted colors with 18 AAA batteries and lanyards for secure handling. With brightness, simple one-button operation, and a pocket-friendly compact flashlight design, it's ideal for camping, hiking, night reading, dog walking, or emergency use. A practical and fun gift for friends and family. Tired of bulky wallets weighing down your pockets? The Ridge Slim Minimalist Wallet keeps your essentials sleek, secure, and accessible. This compact wallet and card holder, RFID protected front pocket wallet, integrated cash strap, and North Shore topographic are crafted from military-grade materials to ensure durability for years. RFID blocking shields your cards from digital theft, while its functional and slim design holds 1 to 12 cards effortlessly. The integrated cash strap secures bills for quick access. Perfect as a minimalist wallet or card holder, it blends style, security, and practicality. Struggling with neck or back tension after long workdays? The Omassa Shiatsu neck massager delivers soothing relief wherever you are. This massager with heat, a 3D kneading back massage pillow for pain relief, massagers for neck, back, shoulder, and leg, and gifts for men, women, mums, dads, and stress relief at home, in the office, and in the car, is 6 inches longer than ordinary pillows, perfectly fitting neck and back curves. With 2 heating zones with 2 heating levels, 3 adjustable intensities, and 4 deep kneading Shiatsu nodes, it eases stiffness, soothes muscles, and promotes relaxation, ideal for home, office, or car use. Tired of bulky keyboards slowing you down on the go? The ProtoArc foldable keyboard keeps typing convenient, compact, and portable. This portable Bluetooth keyboard with PU leather cover, pocket-sized wireless travel keyboards for iPad, iPhone, smartphone, tablet, and laptop, features a folding mini keyboard design weighing just 7.8 ounces, with a PU leather cover for protection and style. With compact-sized portability, multi-device Bluetooth keyboard, connectivity for up to 3 devices, and Type-C Simply Recharge for long-lasting use, it's perfect for business travelers, students, and mobile creators needing reliable typing anywhere, anytime.
Staying powered up while traveling or on the go is crucial for keeping your devices running throughout the day. Introducing the Auskang Slim Power Bank, a 5000 mAh portable charger with a built-in USB-C cable, perfect for travel and airplane safe. Designed to fit easily into your pocket or wallet, this ultra-lightweight portable charger is perfect for EDC, trips, concerts, and amusement parks. Compatible with iPhone 16 or 15 devices, Samsung, Google Pixel, Android phones, and more, it eliminates the need for a separate cable. The 5000 mAh capacity ensures you can enjoy long video calls, gaming, or multitasking without worry. Featuring 4 LED indicator lights, this travel essential keeps you powered and connected everywhere. Wearing a watch that combines durability, luxury, and eye-catching design is essential for those who value both style and performance. Introducing the Vilhelm Prism watch, a stunning timepiece that offers a marvelous interplay of light reflecting off your wrist. Built using only the best materials and high-quality, reliable Swiss movements, The Prism is crafted from grade 2 titanium, making it ultralight, comfortable for long periods, and highly resistant to oxidation and corrosion. Featuring a screw-down crown and 100 meters of water resistance, it's perfect for daily wear and active lifestyles. Whether it's the Prism Skeleton or the Prism in Smoke Teal, this luxury watch delivers a mesmerizing wrist roll light show on a custom-designed perforated rubber strap. Capturing hands-free action footage requires a secure, comfortable, and easy-to-use mounting solution. Introducing the SUREWO wrist strap mount, designed for action enthusiasts and compatible with DJI Osmo. Action 5 Pro, 4 or 3, Insta 360, Ecaso, and more. Built with a double layer of Velcro and offering 360-degree rotation, it allows easy rotation functionality. Each rotation locks automatically without extra steps. The convenient installation lets you secure it with one hand, while 4 fixed buckles ensure it stays safe and firm, keeping your camera protected. Featuring a comfortable wrist strap made from skin-friendly material that absorbs sweat and is breathable, it's perfect for any adventure and widely compatible with GoPro Hero models and other action cameras. Carrying cards and cash securely while maintaining a sleek profile is essential for modern everyday life. Introducing the BULLIANT Money Clip, slim wallet, a perfect blend of style and function. This BULLIANT Men Wallet, Money Clip Wallet, slim for gift men 9 cards. Metal credit card case in magnetic leather flip features a pop-up metal wallet design for slim in-hand comfort. With pop-up access, simply push the side switch to neatly eject your cards. The magnetic flip ensures the leather cover stays firmly closed. Inside, you'll find 9 card slots, including one ID window and a sturdy money clip for bills. With a compact 4-inch by 2.5-inch size and an elegant gift box presentation, it's a perfect choice. Keeping your essential tools organized, secure, and accessible is crucial for efficiency in any job. Introducing the Tufformation Small Tool Bag Pouch, a heavy-duty small tool bag pouch portable utility organizer case with a zipper handle. Built from heavy-duty, cut-resistant fabric and quality craftsmanship, it features a durable zipper, waterproof fabric, and a rugged design that withstands tough conditions. This functional padded tool bag offers 3 compartments, including 2 removable sections and a detachable mesh pocket for small items like nuts and bolts. It boasts a convenient top handle, durable luggage-grade zipper, Velcro patch, and a carabiner. With added MOLLE webbing, it's perfect for EDC, motorcycle, road bike, electricians, and more. Capturing hands-free moments during activities is essential for creating immersive and dynamic visual experiences. The Jusmo ULANZI Go Quick 2 Neck Holder Mount is a next-generation POV mount designed for GoPro, Acaso, DJI Osmo Action, Insta 360, and most action cameras. Featuring quick release and convenient magnetic suction, it ensures comfortable wearing with soft silicone that fits the shoulder and neck perfectly. Enjoy true POV perspective while riding, outdoor adventuring, cooking, drawing, and more. The mount offers unlimited bending angles with its elastic, skin-friendly silicone and built-in metal aluminum support, making it bend at will and not easily break. The magnetic clasp design allows for easy installation, ensuring quick, seamless setup without looking down. Keeping your everyday tools organized and easily accessible is essential for efficiency and convenience. Meet the VIPERADE Tool Pocket Organizer, the ultimate solution for men needing a reliable pocket organizer for their EDC gear. Made of durable 500D polyester with a wear-resistant PVC coating inside, it withstands wear and tear effortlessly. The tool pocket sheath design with oblique pockets can store a flashlight, pocket knife, and tactical pen, while the Mole plug-in feature saves space. A zippered pocket at the back holds coins, cards, or small documents. This EDC organizer keeps tools separated to prevent scratching. Versatile as a shoulder bag or pocket organizer, it's a multifunctional EDC pouch and the best gift for keeping essentials organized daily. Keeping your camera or device stable in different environments is crucial for capturing clear professional shots. The NovaPura magnetic mount stand offers a powerful, versatile solution for photographers and travelers alike. Featuring 8 pieces of high-strength magnets built into its base, it provides powerful magnetism for strong attachment to metal surfaces, ensuring stable shooting results even in mildly bumpy environments. Its adjustable angle allows you to tilt left, right, up, or down to find the perfect perspective. Weighing only 2.02 ounces, this compact and portable stand is ideal for tabletop, car, kitchen, refrigerator, gym, home, and outdoor use. Quick to install and offering a comfortable grip, it's a must-have camera accessory for dynamic shooting needs. Having a dependable, compact tool that handles both cutting and repair tasks is essential for efficiency in everyday projects and emergencies. The OKNIFE Multitool Folding Utility Knife is a versatile and durable tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Featuring a rail lock for easy blade deployment and a button lock for the screwdriver, it ensures secure, stable use. Its quick change blade system makes replacing blades fast, while the G10 handle with carbon fiber overlay offers exceptional grip and durability. The powerful magnetic bit driver delivers high torque performance for repairs. With a convenient pocket clip, compact size, and safe one-handed operation, this multi-tool is perfect for cutting materials like cardboard, leather, plastic, and more with precision and confidence. Reliable visibility and writing capability are crucial when navigating low light or outdoor environments. Introducing the OLIGHT Open Glow Pen Light, a versatile 4-in-1 tool combining a pen clip, LED light, pen tip light, and green beam at the tail. It writes smoothly, lasting for 600 meters of lines, and features a lightweight, slim body for comfortable everyday carry. The L-type bolt action design ensures quick operation, while the green beam is perfect for accurate meeting presentations and marking. With 4 adjustable brightness levels and a pen tip light to write in the dark, this tool adapts to any situation. A convenient charging base keeps the rechargeable pen light powered, making it perfect for writing, outdoor adventures, and nighttime tasks.
That wraps up our list of the top 20 gadgets of 2026. Which of these new tech products was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. We're personally obsessed with that RoboVac with legs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and check the links in the description to shop the best tech gadgets featured today. Don't forget to subscribe for more gadget reviews, smart home setups, and 2026 tech trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.